Once you cook your cabbage this way, you'll never cook them any other way. So first you're just gonna cut them in round shapes like this, like small discs. And then we're just gonna brush them with some olive oil and any kind of spice that you like. I'm using paprika, some garlic, and salt and pepper. So make sure to brush them well. And then I'm just gonna sprinkle some breadcrumb with some Parmesan cheese. It will just make it nice and crispy on the outside. And then just bake them for half an hour to 45 minutes. That's it. Easy and taste amazing.